Welcome. Today we are going to look at how to modify a quiz to accommodate students that may need some extra time due to a disability. So to begin, we are going to go up to the top of the screen and click on Assessment, and then we're going to click on Quizzes and Exams. Now we're going to click on the hyperlink of the quiz we wish to modify, and then we are going to go under the Restrictions tab. First thing we want to do is verify that the due date is correct for the entire class and that the time that we've allotted for the quiz for the entire class is correct. Then we're going to continue to scroll down and then we're going to allow selected users special access and click on Add Users Special Access. So we're going to start by modifying the due date and we're going to give this student an extra week. And then we are going to make sure that we modify the time. And then we want to make sure that the end date is the same as the due date. So the end date for them is also going to be the 12th. And then we need to adjust the time to 11:59 so our due date and end date match. Then we're going to continue to scroll down and we're going to adjust the time the student is allowed for the quiz. So this student is going to get an extra hour for the quiz. So we're going to adjust it to 150 minutes, and then the student is going to get an additional grace period of 10 minutes. Next, we need to select the students that this is going to apply to. So we're going to apply this to the demo student, and then we're going to click the Add Special Access. Then we're going to scroll down and see that the special access has been added, and we're going to click Save and Close. And that is how you modify a quiz for students that need some extra time due to a disability.